Oh, what's up, guys? Today's a new day. So last time I worked on this, I couldn't figure out the headlights. I tried everything that I knew how, and yeah, nothing seems to work. I just can't get it. So I'm coming back today. It's been a few weeks since I worked on the old girl. I'm gonna try some new stuff. I'm kind of convinced that this is a ground issue, so might have to drill some new holes. I got a wire wheel, might have to take the hood off. I don't know yet, but guess what? Today we're gonna figure it out. Let's get it. After struggling with this aggravating car, I realized it wasn't my grounds, and apparently there's two powers in the headlight switch, and yeah, somebody cut one of them. Not the headlight switch, or maybe it is called the headlight switch. I'm too hyped, I forget, because all four lights turn on for the first time ever, which means this thing's almost drivable. So all we gotta do is run a cable from the battery to the headlight switch, and we're back in business. So I'm headed to AutoZone now. It's probably gonna get dark on me. I wanna get that done. And if I find some time, I'll do the brake master cylinder. And yeah, I'm driving this thing. All right, back from AutoZone. Got everything I need. This motherfucker about to have headlights. Let's get it. Alright guys, check it out. All right, they're on, kind of, sort of. This one looks like it's getting a bad connection. I don't know why. Only when I go to high beams does this one turn on. Maybe I'll get more. I don't know. Maybe not everything's setting all the way in that headlight switch, but this one is hella bright. Maybe it just takes a second. I might switch these two. I don't know yet. Maybe the connection is loose in the back. I have no idea. But yeah, at least they're on. I'm hyped. All right, so we out here in the dark, but All right, like I was saying before I got rudely interrupted by my GoPro battery dying. Man, this makes it look like a scary ass video game. I'm funny as hell. I got a new brake master cylinder on, as you guys can see. The headlights turn on. Let's see how they look in the dark. I got no interior lights yet. Don't hate, appreciate. They look good. This one over here is not so hot. One of the filaments is broken, I believe, for the low beams. That's why low beams don't work. But whatever, we're not gonna blind anybody with these old ass lights. So I'm excited, guys. One step closer to driving. I was gonna take it for a test drive or just let it idle for a little bit, but the battery's dead and I'm not dealing with that right now. It's like 9 o'clock. I got work at 6 a.m. What's that? Oh, boo. Nissan Altima. Jesus. But all right, guys. I'm out of here. I'll catch you next one. Peace.